Twain drive installation started. Double-click the installation package. Select the language and click OK. Click Next. Click I agree. After selecting the installation path, click Next. Click Install to start the installation. Click Finish and wait for a while. Click Cancel. Twain drive installation completed. Double-click the DEXIS icon to open the DEXIS software. Login software. When using Twain drive for the first time, you need to add Twain drive settings. Click the setting icon in the DEXIS administration window. In the Preferences window, click X-ray acquisition and select Twain sensor intraoral in intraoral device. Select the corresponding Twain drive in the scanner. Click Digital Camera Acquisition and select the corresponding Twain drive in camera type. Click OK. Create or select a patient in the DEXIS administration window. Click the icon to enter capture mode. Select a template, click Start to start Twain driver. When using the sensor for the first time, if the sensor is not calibrated, it needs to be calibrated first. Click the icon to enter the manual calibration window. Click Exposure. The software will display ready, and the X-ray machine will expose towards the sensor with aluminum plate. After the image appears, continue the next exposure until all 8 images are collected. After 8 images appear, click Calibrate to complete the calibration. After manual correction, software matching setting is required. Click the icon to enter the setting window. Select DEXIS and click Edit. Select Enable and click Save to close the setting window. Back to the main interface, click the blue icon after confirming the shooting object. After the software appears ready, the X-ray machine starts to expose. After acquisition, the software will automatically upload the image to DEXIS's tooth position. After that, you can continue to expose and take images in the next tooth position until the last tooth position. Operation completed.